Haley Ashcombe. In this video, I will give you an overview of the 3 different phases and the steps within those phases that you will go through when facilitating a top sprint. By the end of this overview, you will know what to expect from this process and where to start. So let's go to the TOPx Toolkit for the overview. To access the TOPx Toolkit, click on the link in the top right corner of this video. Facilitating a sprint requires no prior technology or product development knowledge. But for those new to this method, it may be helpful to review our glossary to learn about key terms such as human-centered design and minimum viable product. Here is where you will find our glossary. You can click on each term to learn more. Now, let's briefly go over each of the 3 phases of the TOPx process. Phase 1 is the planning stage for your sprint. You will need to form a facilitation team, define your problem statement, and recruit participants, and prepare to kickstart the sprint. In the next few videos, we will cover each step in detail and share materials and resources with you. Plan to allocate 4 to 8 weeks for this planning phase. Once you have gone through all of the steps for Phase 1, it's time to execute your sprint. In Phase 2, you will be facilitating your sprint, which will involve facilitating several critical milestones, such as the kickoff call, user research, data exploration, product development, and minimum viable product milestones. You will be hosting bi-weekly check-ins with the cohort and communicating via email or Slack with the group throughout. This part of your sprint will take about 12 to 14 weeks on your timeline. Next, it's time for Demo Day. Once your sprint has concluded, you will be hosting a post-sprint event for the teams to demonstrate their products and work on post-sprint engagement. You will need about 4 to 6 weeks to complete Phase 3. When using the TOPx Toolkit, you can access the information about each phase using the main menu or our interactive roadmap. Throughout the interactive roadmap, you can visualize the entire top sprint process. It also makes it easy for you to quickly get the information you need every time you work on a different step of the process. I also want to highlight that throughout the content of each phase, you will have the ability to access the resources and materials relevant to each step. If you prefer to download all of the materials from this toolkit at once, you can click here. I hope this overview gave you a good idea about what to expect when facilitating a top sprint for your federal agency. In the next few videos, we will go over each step of the process in detail and the resources available to you to complete each task.